Miss Journey, you're welcome to Kemi's Journey, innovative vlog, the best with style.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kemi. This is your first time of meeting me. I'm super excited. So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of a 20 centimeter selfie ring light that I got from Aliexpress for $47. Yeah, I thought it was a good bargain compared to all the prices that I've been seeing. So let's get straight into the unboxing. And wait a minute, wait, hold up. Before we continue, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, what you doing? Please kindly subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Let's get straight into the unboxing. I'm super pumped, guys. I'm super pumped. Let's go, guys. I have my knife with me. Let's cut. I'm so excited, guys. Like, I've been waiting for this for a super long time. Yay! And it's open. Not like opening new things. I'm sure it's something you've been waiting for, right? Yes, good job, Ali. Right, so the first thing that I have here, I'm assuming this is the ring light stand. Yes, so this is it. Just gonna be, oh, it's cool. And I feel like I'm not a tech savvy person, so I feel like for me to be able to get it, how to open it. So let me not heal myself before. Let me know. But yeah, so look at your girl. Okay, tacky. Ooh. Yeah, so this is the stand. This is the long stand. And I think, oh yeah, so you can extend it like so. So I'm going to be setting it up, but I'm just showing you, right? So first of all, I have this piece. So I'm going to be keeping it right here. So what's next? Oh, I see several pieces. Okay. Oops. So this is the ring light. Okay, I got my ring light. Okay, check yourself before you lose yourself. Yeah, so I feel like I can see a remote control. This is supposed to increase or decrease the brightness. We're going to be going to the setup and see how bright it can actually go. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what to expect. So, and then it has this USB thing. I think you're supposed to look for a USB box or head, something to connect it to. So yeah, this is the ring light. Yeah, the main part, right? So I'm just gonna keep it right here. And then this is supposed to be the phone holder, guys. So this is part number 3. Let me see how many more parts we have to go. Like, what else? I feel like we're already good to go, but let's see. Seems like they have some, you know, spare. Yeah, so this is supposed to be a phone holder, and then it comes with this screw as well. I think it's supposed to screw the ring lights together with the stand. And then what else? Oh, guys, look at this. This is I'm guessing a vlogging. This is supposed to be for like vlogging. I usually see vloggers with their camera extending this, but yeah, so these are the parts. So I think we have 1, 2, 3. So expect to see like I think 6 or 7 parts, including the screw and everything. So yeah, that's it. Nothing else. So yeah, that's it. So let's go to the setup. Let's see how this goes. Okay, we're gonna be setting it up and you guys are gonna be with me, and let's see, guys. If it takes me 10 days later, you know, just spare your girl. Like, literally, I'm not a tech savvy person, but I gotta do this on camera. So let's go straight to it. So guys, we have all the parts with us. I think in total, I think there are about 6 parts, including the little screw right here. So let's go straight into the setup part of it. I'm so excited.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, guys, I finally figured it out. So I have these 2 pieces, and I think this is really useful for YouTubers that are into vlogging. So I think this is supposed to be like a mini stand for vlogging, and then this is a camera holder. I'm just going to be screwing it so you can see what it is. Guys, this took me 10 years later to figure out. So I'm just going to be screwing it in like so. So this is excellent, guys. I feel so cool. So you can put this on your tabletop, you know, to just kind of make it stand while you extend the, I'm assuming that you can attach this to the ring light, or you can just hold this for, you know, putting your phone like so, you know, just for your vlogging needs. Like, okay, so let me show you guys what it is. So guys, this is what I mean. I'm just going to be putting the phone into the stand, and there you go. Okay, vlogger. Yeah, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kit. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like, why am I this excited? So this is what I mean, guys. This is what I mean. So it has this mini stand. So let's go into the proper, selfie ring light stand. So guys, that's it for the setup. I'm gonna be plugging in the selfie ring light. I still have my natural lighting on, so I'm also going to be leaving my blinds on so we can see what the difference is between the selfie ring light and the natural light. So this is it, guys. This is the ring light, and I still have my natural lighting, right? So I'm going to be closing my blinds, and then we can see what the difference is between the natural light and the selfie ring light. So guys, so this is the brightness level of the selfie ring light at its lowest. Okay, so I powered it to the least level, and then I'm going to be increasing the brightness so we can see how. So this is the brightness level. This is the highest that you can go, so you can see the brightness, how bright it is. And I closed my blinds. I typically use natural lighting, so I closed my blinds so we can see the effect of the selfie ring light and how much. I feel like it's okay. I feel like it's super cool, and it also has a remote that I can power and change the level of the brightness. So I feel like that is as well super cool. So this is it turned off. So guys, this is it turned on. It's powered on, right? I'm gonna be turning it off, back on, off, on. So that's it. I feel like this is, for the price, I love it. And for someone that isn't tech savvy, I feel like this was super easy to set up. But the only thing I won't comment is that the seller didn't put instructions, like just no instruction whatsoever. I guess so they just kind of left you on your own hanging. So that's the only thing. And then it took for the shipping, it took over a month for it to come. So that's that as regards the product. But I feel like I'm okay with everything, how it came. Everything came on the spot, and it was super cool. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was super helpful to you if you're a newbie and it's your first time setting up a selfie ring light. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I truly appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, please. And then thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions in the comment section as regards this product, please put it down in the comment section, and I'm going to be answering all your questions. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.